Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how ridiculously overpowered plasticity is. But real quick guys, I've got two new courses on Udemy, Ultimate Sci-Fi Soldier and Plasticity Modeling Guide. So guys, Plasticity 1.0 is now out, the program is pretty much at a good state. I like using this program guys, it's really fantastic. It's hands down the best 3D modeling program I've ever used. It's fantastic, and this guide will show you how to create this awesome industrial mech. As for the Sci-Fi Soldier, I've got some really good ZBrush hard surface sculpting techniques and then a lot of 3ds Max clean topology. So you get the best of both worlds, guys. Really cool hard surface ZBrush techniques and then all the retopology process of the Max. All the Max videos are unsped up and the videos in ZBrush are a little bit sped up. So essentially, guys, the purpose of this one is not to overwhelm you with dozens of hours of content, but just to have really streamlined, just like the best of the best, techniques for retopology and sculpting. So guys, check out those courses, links are in the description. Let's continue. So if I were to create a circle right here, alright, and I'm just gonna extrude that up. Alright, I'm gonna select this and let's say I will chamfer this. Alright, then I'll create another one, or I'll create a cylinder. Alright, and I will move that right here. Alright. And I'm going to just fillet this. And I'm going to shrink this. Alright. And I'm going to QQ to combine that together. And just fillet that. Fillet this. Select that. Press O for offset. Okay, it's looking a little bit like a lemon here because let me do that first. Let me go ahead and press O on this first. Offset that. Then I can fillet this. Then I can extrude that. Alright guys, so already it's looking pretty good, but let's say I want this detail all around. So I will select this object and I will do a radial array. I'll select this as the center point and I'll do the default 8 right here. So essentially right now guys, it may look like a single object, but if you literally look at this, I've got like 8 different objects around here. So we've got all these objects, they're just occupying the same space. So when I first did this, I couldn't believe that it worked because it was just so amazing to me. But if you just select all this, guys, and just press QQ, you can just boolean. You can just boolean those objects together, and it works pretty perfectly. So now I can select this, and the fillet still works. So guys, this is now, if I select this, this is just a single object right here. The reason why I was so impressed by this is because if you try to do this in any other program, the program will explode. It will just give you a message that says you performed an illegal operation and you need to stop. But in Plasticity, it just works. It just works, and we can continue. We can continue doing amazing things here. We can continue cutting things apart, and you know, just amazing results here, guys. You know, I also very much like that when you create a cylinder, it's just going to automatically union or cut. So you just cut through this object if you want, or cut a little bit. And then you can select this and just chamfer this to get, you know, this result right here. I like that you can even select this face, and you can even rotate this. So you get these like really, you know, accidental results. Like, look at this right here, for example. Like, you just unlock this really fantastic workflow that allows you just to do really crazy things here. Just like automatic boolean, amazing fillets, and just really good symmetry tools too. Like, Plasticity, guys, is just like a dream program. It's like a dream come true. So, I hope you check out Plasticity 1.0 and check out my course if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and take care.